Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the strategies and insights of legendary investors. In today's video, we dive into 12 invaluable lessons from successful millionaires on building and preserving wealth. From starting early and embracing innovation to philanthropy, these lessons offer a blueprint for financial success and a lasting legacy for future generations. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're all about providing valuable content to help you improve your financial literacy and achieve your goals. So don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Lesson number 1. Start early and be patient. It means commencing your financial journey as soon as possible and maintaining the discipline to wait for long-term results. Beginning your financial journey early allows time for compound interest to work its magic, multiplying your investments over the years. Patience ensures you weather market fluctuations without succumbing to impulsive decisions. Millionaires understand that wealth isn't built overnight, but through consistent, deliberate actions over time. Imagine you plant a tree. It takes years to grow before bearing fruit. Similarly, investing early and allowing your investments time to grow can yield substantial returns. Lesson number 2. Financial education. It refers to the knowledge and understanding of managing money, investments, and financial instruments. It means equipping yourself with the tools to make informed financial decisions. As Benjamin Franklin wisely noted, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest, highlighting the value of financial education in building wealth. Consider this. Imagine driving a car without ever learning the rules of the road. It would be risky, right? Similarly, navigating the complex world of finance without financial education can lead to costly mistakes. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn." Investing in financial education is an investment that can pay dividends throughout your life. Lesson number 3. Diversify investments. It means spreading your investment portfolio across different asset classes to reduce risk. It's the financial equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Imagine you're on a ship in a stormy sea. Diversification is like having a variety of lifeboats. Some may perform better than others, but they all increase your chances of reaching your financial destination safely. John Templeton, legendary investor, once said, "The four most expensive words in the English language are, 'This time, it's different.'" Diversification reflects the wisdom of not betting everything on one bet, or believing that a single investment will always perform exceptionally. So, are you ready to embrace diversification as a strategy to enhance your financial resilience and potentially achieve long-term prosperity? Share your insights in the comment section below, and keep watching the video to explore further millionaire secrets. Lesson number 4. Live below your means. It means maintaining a lifestyle where your expenses are less than your income, allowing you to save and invest for the future. This concept is beautifully encapsulated by the words of financial guru Dave Ramsey. "If you will live like no one else, later you can live like no one else." Imagine two people, one spending every dollar they earn, and the other saving a portion of their income. Over time, the latter accumulates wealth, while the former struggles with financial stress. Lesson number 5. Consistent saving and investing. It involves regularly setting aside a portion of your income and deploying it into investments. It's the practice of making financial progress incrementally over time. As financial guru Dave Ramsey aptly puts it, "Financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make." Imagine it as building a sturdy bridge, stone by stone, across a river. Each stone represents a consistent contribution to your savings and investments. Over time, these contributions accumulate into a strong financial foundation. Lesson number 6. Asset protection. It refers to strategies and measures taken to safeguard your wealth from various risks, including legal issues, taxes, and economic downturns. It's like putting a shield around your financial fortress. Imagine you've built a magnificent castle, but without proper defenses, it's vulnerable to threats. Asset protection is akin to fortifying your castle against potential attacks that could erode your wealth. Warren Buffett echoes the importance of protection. Rule no. 1, never lose money. Rule no. 2, never forget rule no. 1. Asset protection is about minimizing the risk of significant financial losses. Lesson number 7. Entrepreneurship and innovation. It refers to the dynamic duo that drives wealth creation and success in the business world. It's about taking risks, thinking outside the box, and turning groundbreaking ideas into profitable ventures. In the realm of entrepreneurship, the words of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, resonate powerfully. I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that. But I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying. These words highlight the critical role of determination and the willingness to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success in the entrepreneurial journey. Entrepreneurs who combine innovation with resilience are often the ones who create not just personal wealth, but also legacies that can be passed down through generations. Whether it's launching a disruptive startup or revolutionizing an existing industry, the marriage of entrepreneurship and innovation is a formidable force in the pursuit of generational wealth. Lesson number 8. Leverage the power of compounding. It is like planting a financial seed and letting it grow into a mighty oak over time. It's the concept of earning returns, not only on your initial investments, but also on the gains generated by those investments. To illustrate its significance, consider the wisdom of Albert Einstein, who once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and added, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." This underscores that compounding can either work for you or against you, depending on your understanding and utilization. When individuals harness the power of compounding by consistently reinvesting their earnings, they can witness exponential growth in their wealth over time. It's not just about making money. It's about making money work for you and your future generations, making it a cornerstone principle in the journey towards generational wealth. Lesson number 9. Network and seek mentorship. It is a mantra followed by many successful individuals on their path to wealth and wisdom. This principle involves actively connecting with like-minded individuals, industry peers, and seeking guidance from experienced mentors who have already walked the road to success. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, once remarked, "It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." Buffett's words emphasize the power of surrounding oneself with those who can inspire, educate, and elevate you. Additionally, Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, stressed the importance of seeking mentorship when he said, "Seek out the smartest people who will disagree with you." Dalio's advice underscores the value of diverse perspectives and learning from those who challenge your thinking. Lesson number 10. Adapt to changing times. In a world of rapid technological advancements and economic fluctuations, those who can adapt their investment strategies, embrace innovation, and remain agile are better positioned to thrive over the long term. Building generational wealth requires not only a solid plan, but also the ability to adjust that plan when necessary, ensuring that it continues to serve your financial goals and legacy. Lesson number 11. Teach financial responsibility to future generations. It is a pivotal element in the journey towards creating and preserving generational wealth. It entails imparting valuable financial knowledge, values, and habits to the next family members. This approach ensures that the wealth you've accumulated isn't squandered, but is instead managed wisely for the benefit of future generations. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, stresses the importance of financial education within families. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth. Kiyosaki's words underscore the idea that teaching financial responsibility is not just about money. It's about nurturing the mindset and skills needed to build and sustain wealth. Lesson number 12. Philanthropy and giving back. It represents the noble act of sharing one's wealth and resources with those in need, making a positive impact on society. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but also about using it to bring about positive change. As Andrew Carnegie, one of history's greatest philanthropists, once stated, "The man who dies rich dies in disgrace." Carnegie's words emphasize that true wealth lies not only in what you accumulate, but in how you use it to benefit others and leave a lasting legacy. As we conclude our exploration of these essential wealth-building lessons, remember that the path to generational wealth is not just about money. It's about knowledge, values, and a commitment to making a positive impact. By applying these lessons, you can chart a course towards prosperity and leave a legacy that transcends monetary riches. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, we kindly ask you to like and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our future content on investing, personal finance, and wealth management. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications so that you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Best of luck on your journey, and may your financial goals be realized.